美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。
I'm going to dig into my savings.
I'm going to dig into my savings.
我打算动用我的存款。
I'm going to dig into my savings.
I'm going to dig into my savings.
I am keen on cooking.
I am keen on cooking.
我喜欢烹饪。
I am keen on cooking.
I am keen on cooking.
Can you help me peel that carrot?
Can you help me peel that carrot?
你可以帮我削一下胡萝卜吗？
Can you help me peel that carrot?
Can you help me peel that carrot?
Let's cook some steak.
Let's cook some steak.
我们来做一些牛排吧。
Let's cook some steak.
Let's cook some steak.
It's more fun to cook than to eat.
It's more fun to cook than to eat.
做饭比吃饭有意思。
It's more fun to cook than to eat.
It's more fun to cook than to eat.
How would you cook that fish?
How would you cook that fish?
你想怎么做那条鱼呢？
How would you cook that fish?
How would you cook that fish?
I want to learn how to make cakes.
I want to learn how to make cakes.
我想学做蛋糕。
I want to learn how to make cakes.
I want to learn how to make cakes.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
晚饭好了。
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
It's time to have a meal.
It's time to have a meal.
吃饭时间到了。
It's time to have a meal.
It's time to have a meal.
Did you like the last concert?
Did you like the last concert?
你喜欢上次的音乐会吗？
Did you like the last concert?
Did you like the last concert?
This band was popular years ago.
This band was popular years ago.
这个乐队在几年前很受欢迎。
This band was popular years ago.
This band was popular years ago.
I'm fond of game shows.
I'm fond of game shows.
我很喜欢智力竞猜节目。
I'm fond of game shows.
I'm fond of game shows.
You are a real TV fan.
You are a real TV fan.
你是一个真正的电视迷。
You are a real TV fan.
You are a real TV fan.
Any recommended channels?
Any recommended channels?
有推荐的频道吗？
Any recommended channels?
Any recommended channels?
What about this TV series?
What about this TV series?
这部电视剧怎么样？
What about this TV series?
What about this TV series?
Have you seen this movie?
Have you seen this movie?
你看过这部电影吗？
Have you seen this movie?
Have you seen this movie?
Do you like tragedy or comedy?
Do you like tragedy or comedy?
你喜欢悲剧还是喜剧？
Do you like tragedy or comedy?
Do you like tragedy or comedy?
What part of this film do you like?
What part of this film do you like?
你喜欢这部影片里的那个片段？
What part of this film do you like?
What part of this film do you like?
My hobby is reading books.
My hobby is reading books.
我的爱好是读书。
My hobby is reading books.
My hobby is reading books.
What kind of books do you prefer?
What kind of books do you prefer?
你喜欢哪类书？
What kind of books do you prefer?
What kind of books do you prefer?
Welcome to my home.
Welcome to my home.
欢迎来到我家。
Welcome to my home.
Welcome to my home.
Please help yourselves.
Please help yourselves.
别客气。
Please help yourselves.
Please help yourselves.
I really enjoyed this meal.
I really enjoyed this meal.
我真的很享受这顿晚餐。
I really enjoyed this meal.
I really enjoyed this meal.
Thank you for your treat.
Thank you for your treat.
谢谢你的款待。
Thank you for your treat.
Thank you for your treat.
It's a little late. I have to leave.
It's a little late. I have to leave.
有点晚了，我得走了。
It's a little late. I have to leave.
It's a little late. I have to leave.
I like making friends.
I like making friends.
我喜欢交朋友。
I like making friends.
I like making friends.
Both of us are interested in music.
Both of us are interested in music.
我们都对音乐感兴趣。
Both of us are interested in music.
Both of us are interested in music.
I can't live without friends.
I can't live without friends.
没有朋友，我活不下去。
I can't live without friends.
I can't live without friends.
I have too much stuff to pack.
I have too much stuff to pack.
我有很多东西需要打包。
I have too much stuff to pack.
I have too much stuff to pack.
You have to start packing early.
You have to start packing early.
你要提前打包。
You have to start packing early.
You have to start packing early.
You are crazy to move by yourself.
You are crazy to move by yourself.
你疯了吧？竟然自己搬家。
You are crazy to move by yourself.
You are crazy to move by yourself.
Which floor is your new home on?
Which floor is your new home on?
您的新家在几楼？
Which floor is your new home on?
Which floor is your new home on?
I need an inexpensive apartment.
I need an inexpensive apartment.
我需要一个便宜的公寓。
I need an inexpensive apartment.
I need an inexpensive apartment.
I'd like to know about the rent.
I'd like to know about the rent.
我想了解一下租金。
I'd like to know about the rent.
I'd like to know about the rent.
How much is this room?
How much is this room?
这个房间多少钱？
How much is this room?
How much is this room?
Is it furnished?
Is it furnished?
房间里有家具吗？
Is it furnished?
Is it furnished?
This room is on the sunny side.
This room is on the sunny side.
这个房间是阳面的。
This room is on the sunny side.
This room is on the sunny side.
I want to rent a quiet apartment.
I want to rent a quiet apartment.
我想租一个安静的公寓。
I want to rent a quiet apartment.
I want to rent a quiet apartment.
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
厨房设施齐全吗？
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Farewell, my university.
Farewell, my university.
再见了，我的大学。
Farewell, my university.
Farewell, my university.
Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, my friends.
再见，我的朋友们。
Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, my friends.
I'm a bit fed up with school life.
I'm a bit fed up with school life.
我对我的学校生活感到厌烦。
I'm a bit fed up with school life.
I'm a bit fed up with school life.
I want to leave the ivory tower.
I want to leave the ivory tower.
我想离开象牙塔。
I want to leave the ivory tower.
I want to leave the ivory tower.
My robe is too long.
My robe is too long.
我的礼服太长了。
My robe is too long.
My robe is too long.
I'm busy packing up my stuff.
I'm busy packing up my stuff.
我正忙着收拾东西呢。
I'm busy packing up my stuff.
I'm busy packing up my stuff.
I'm moving out of the dormitory.
I'm moving out of the dormitory.
我要搬出宿舍了。
I'm moving out of the dormitory.
I'm moving out of the dormitory.
What's the theme of your thesis?
What's the theme of your thesis?
你的论文的主题是什么？
What's the theme of your thesis?
What's the theme of your thesis?
Have you finished your thesis?
Have you finished your thesis?
你写完你的论文了吗？
Have you finished your thesis?
Have you finished your thesis?
How long will the defense take?
How long will the defense take?
答辩要多长时间？
How long will the defense take?
How long will the defense take?
I am a bit nervous.
I am a bit nervous.
我有点紧张。
I am a bit nervous.
I am a bit nervous.